students. Today we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. And we know that the vowel letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. Again, the letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. And the consonants, other letters such as B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These letters are consonants. Again, vowels and consonants. And we know that A and an are articles, and we use a or an before a singular noun, or before singular nouns we are using the articles a or an, and we do not use them before plural nouns. We know all these things. We means only with singular nouns we have to use the articles a or an, and we cannot or we do not use a or an before the names of things that we cannot count. In other words, with uncountable nouns, we cannot use the articles a or an. And let us see now some examples. See, means again use of an. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. See examples. An image. See what is the first letter of the given word? Image. I-M-A-G-E. The first letter start with I. I-M-A-G. The first letter is I, and we know that I is a vowel, and before a vowel sound or a vowel letter we have to use the article an. See, an image. And see the next example, an apple. See the spelling A-P-P-L-E, apple. Here also the first letter of the given word, that is apple, that is a vowel. So we have used the article an before the given word apple. And see in the next example, an honest man. See the spelling HONESTMAN, an honest man. And see why we have used an before H, because here the word starts with a consonant. Then also we have used an here. Why? Because H, the letter H is silent. So the word honest begins with the O sound. So we have used here an, and we know that before O we have to use the article an. And see the next example also same, an hour. Here also H is silent, and we have used the article an before the given word hour, an hour. Again see the examples, an image, an apple, an honest man, an hour. Again see the rules. when we have to use the article an, and we have to use an before a word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. Now see, next, see A. A, we know that A is used before a word that begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. Again, see, A is used before a word that begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. I have already told you the consonant letters. And see the examples. A spoon. See, the word spoon, and what is the first letter of the given word? S. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. And we know that S is a consonant letter, or the word is a consonant sound. So, we have to use A before the given word. And see, the next one, that is a tree. Here also the first letter starts means the given word starts with the letter T, and T is a consonant, so we have to use A, the article A before the given word, that is tree. Again, next example, beer. B-E-A-R, beer. Here the spelling first letter B, a beer. The same rule we have followed here also. Next example, a boy. Here also the same rule we have followed, that is B, and B is a consonant and we have used the article A. And see next, a university and a uniform. And see, in words such as university and uniform, the letter U is pronounced as YU. The pronunciation is YU. And so these words begin with the Y sound. These words begins with the Y sound and the letter, and we know that the letter Y is a consonant. So we have used the article A before the words such as a university and a uniform. See the examples again. A spoon, a tree, a beer, a boy, a university, a uniform. All these words, or before all these words, we have to use the article A. Or again, see the rule, A is used before a word that begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. And these are some of the rules related with the vowels and consonants, or the use of articles A or an. Okay, thank you very much. The next topic we can learn in the next class.